Hello everyone, my name is Pawan Luthra and today is the 21st of May and the first flight, the Vande Bharat mission taking stranded Indians in Australia is on its way almost to India. Here we are at the check-in place where people have been lining up from 5 o'clock in the morning to catch the 9:45 flight. Outside we have family and well-wishers who have come to see them off. So tell us, can I have your names please?
Yeah, I'm Seva Singh Pawan. Nice meeting you.
I'm Benu.
Benu. So how come, who are you here to see off and what brings you here?
We are here to see off mother of Harpreet. Harpreet was a student here. He passed away because of brain tumor on 21st of April and she was here to be with her son. She could be here only for 3 days and so today we are here to see her off.
So a very, very noble deed indeed, in
Yeah.
which you have been able to help somebody who is in a very, who's in a lot of grief at the moment.
Yeah, it was.
What was her reaction once she got to know that she has been selected for the flight?
She was very ecstatic and very happy to go back to her family and grieve with them.
How's the process been so far for the information you got, checking in, coming over here? How's been the process so far?
The process has been very methodical and very simple and it was not very cumbersome. We got the information by email and then there were constant phone calls from the consulate and the Air India checking up whether you got the ticket or not, you made the payment. So they were making sure that it runs very smoothly.
Lovely. Look, thank you very much for the work you are doing for a family of their departed one and wish you guys all the very best.
Thank you, Pawan.
मेरे साथ हैं विशाल. विशाल, सुना कि आपकी मदर वापस इंडिया जा रही हैं?
हाँ जी, हाँ, वो आज फर्स्ट फ्लाइट से जा रहे हैं। यहाँ से वैसे तो मैं मेलबर्न से आया हूँ।
अब मेलबर्न से आए?
मेलबर्न से आया हूँ।
तो आपने ड्राइव करा, कैसे करा?
क्योंकि फ्लाइट भी नहीं थी और मेलबर्न से यहाँ पर आना पड़ा। मैं कल आया था 8 घंटे की ड्राइव करके और यहाँ पर आके फिर बस अपने फ्रेंड के रुका। अब बस 2 घंटे की स्लीप के बाद वापस जाना।
तो लॉन्ग ड्राइव, पहले तो ड्राइव केयरफुली। दूसरी ये बात है कि आपकी मदर कितने महीनों से यहाँ थी और उनका क्या मूड था जब उनको पता लगा कि लॉकडाउन हो गया और वो वापस नहीं जा पा रहे? इंडिया में कौन है?
30 मार्च को उनकी फ़्लाइट वापस की थी लेकिन वो कैंसिल हो गई एयर इंडिया की और वो आए 3 महीने पहले थे तो वो कैंसिल हो गई। फिर उसके बाद एक्सटेंशन ली है हमने, ब्रीथिंग वीज़ा हुआ। मतलब इट्स अ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस एंड शी जस्ट वांट टू गो बैक होम बट ये इट्स अ बिग हेक्टिक।
तो इंडिया में कौन है वहाँ पर?
मेरा ब्रदर है वहाँ पर
जी,
गुड़गांव में।
जी जी।
तो अब ये अगली टेंशन है कि वहाँ पर वो है
क्वारंटीन
में रुकना है 14 डेज। अनदर बिग हैसल, स्पेशली मोम अकेले हैं वहाँ पर। तो बस ये चलो इट्स ओके, थैंक गॉड कि हमें ये
जगह मिल गई। तो क्या मूड था जब आपको ऑस्ट्रेलिया इंडियन हाई कमीशन से आपको जब इन्फॉर्मेशन आई? बेस्ट थिंग एवर। अच्छा।
सो जैसे ही फ़ोन आया मैंने देखा लाइक आई गॉट कॉल एंड आई जस्ट स्पोक टू माय मॉम के आ गया फ़ोन। तो शी वाज जस्ट हैप्पी। द फर्स्ट थिंग दे आस्क्ड मी आर यू गोना go for it or yes or no? So I said obviously yes. But I said like can you do me a favor, can you do it from Melbourne to Delhi? But they said like okay, this is the option, okay, yes or no? So I just said yes. So got this 8-hour drive, so it should be okay.
चलिए, now wishing a very safe journey and you drive back safely to Melbourne.
Yes,
Vishal, thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's all very exciting here at Sydney Airport when the first flight of Air India, who's doing an excellent job, is going from Sydney to India. I have Captain Sanjay and Captain Aluwalia with me. How do you feel about taking 215 excited Indians back to India?
Well, at the outset, this, I would say, is the initiative of our beloved Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, and his government that we are here. And the evacuation we are doing is the biggest, I think, in the world, being done by undertaken by any country. That shows the concern of this government for the citizens, for the nationals, Indians, and we are just doing a service to the nation.
That's fantastic. Captain Ahluwalia, what are your thoughts?
It's almost the same, and we feel for the passengers who are stuck outside our country, and our heart definitely bleeds for them, and we are doing this service.
And is this your first repatriation flight, or have you?
Yes,
Okay.
for us it is first.
Are there any concerns you have for yourself and your crew?
No, we are happy doing everything. No problem.
We're taking all the precautions, and we are least bothered or concerned because we are taking all precautions.
Right.
Our company is taking good care of us.
Okay, so you're very happy with the way Air India has organized this and everything.
Definitely.
Are you missing flying on your regular routes?
Of course we do. It's been more than 60 days that we have not flown, and flying is in our blood. And when we sat in the cockpit yesterday, everything came back, rushing back as if we have never been out of the cockpit. So it's one certainly does miss, and flying is one thing one gets addicted to. So yes, so it's like when you fly, you are top of the world, and we miss being.
You are in more
yes.
ways than one. Captains, in terms of bringing the Australians back to India, how was that? Australians back to Australia from Delhi, how was that experience?
It was pretty nice. No problem. They had been very nice and behaved very nice with the crew, and very cooperative with us.
Before I let you go, the last question is: how is it? Is it uncomfortable flying in the hazmat suits with all the precautions, or is that something which we need to get used to going forward?
It's first of all, it gives a great satisfaction to be at service of the nation, of the mankind, humanity, and like we flew the Australians yesterday. Again, it was a matter of great pride and satisfaction that we were doing. We were able to do the needful when it was required. So, while you're doing such thing and you get such a lot of satisfaction, any other thing does not give you any kind of difficulty or problem, because all these things are in the mind.
Right,
and if we are doing it happily, these things don't matter.
Right.
He's right, absolutely right.
Excellent.
It doesn't give us any negative thoughts that we are flying in a constrained environment or whatever. It gives us happiness, and those things don't matter really.
Lovely. Look, on behalf of the many Indians who are stuck here in Australia, and I guess the more than 1 million Indians stuck around the world, for what you guys are doing, thank you very much.
You're welcome. It's our pleasure and an honor to be at service of.
Thank you so much.
Safe flight. Thank you.